Welcome to an Atlantis Rail installation video featuring the RailSimple ONYX Series, Atlantis Rail's black cable infill series. Mount the tensioner base. Drill a pilot hole first using a 3/16 inch diameter drill bit. Attach the tensioner base to a flat surface using the supplied number 14 screw while holding the tensioner base. Use a T25 Torx driver bit. Swivel ends act as a non-tensioning fitting and are used on short cable runs. The cable is inserted into the swivel end. Set the tensioner length. For cable runs 40 feet or less, adjust the tensioner so 3/4 of an inch of thread is visible. For longer runs, add 1/4 inch more thread for every additional 20 feet. Do not exceed 1.5 inches. Maximum cable length is 100 feet. Measure and cut the cable. Use the tensioner head as a guide to measure the cable. Cut the cable to the correct length. Make sure the cut is clean and straight. Attach the cable. Make sure the cable strands are tight and not frayed. Push the cable into the tensioner head through the rubber seal, rotating the cable as you push until it stops. Pull the cable to seat the wedges. Tension the cable. Hold the tensioner head with a 3/8 inch wrench. Turn the tensioner body with a 5/16 inch wrench to tighten the cable. Tighten cables evenly when using tensioners on both ends of the cable run. Note, if the cable is still loose and cannot be tightened more, the cable is too long. Slide the rubber seal up the cable. Use the release tool to remove the cable. Once cable is removed, repeat steps 2 through 5. Lock and cover. Tighten the 5/16 inch lock nut against the tensioner body while holding the tensioner head with a 3/8 inch wrench to lock the tension. Slide the protective cover over the threads. Your RailSimple ONYX Series tensioners are installed. As always, make sure to wash your railing system once installation is complete. Visit our website for more information. Thank you for making Atlantis Rail the choice for your view.